16-year-old girl charged with boyfriend's murder. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 16-year-old girl has been arrested and charged with murder following the stabbing death of a 20-year-old individual who was said to be her boyfriend on Bethel Street in Manchester on Saturday, August 27. Reports from the Mandeville police are that at about 6:45 p.m., Chedane Harriet and the teen had a dispute. It is alleged that she used a knife to inflict a stab wounds to his neck. He was taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The teen was held by citizens and handed over to the police. She was subsequently arrested and charged and is awaiting a court date. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.